Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to be working on my buddy's 1993 Q45. I have a few things that I want to do over the next few days. He is out of town, so he left me his car so I could just get some stuff done on it. To my left here I have his SSR coins. I need to install a new tire, flip this one, and then just polish everything up, clean them up, and have them installed on, and then install them on the car. I also need to install a power steering rack because this is leaking pretty bad, and also add some Z33 SPL tie rods. These also correct bump steer and stuff. So it's got the spacers and stuff in here. I haven't opened it yet, but yeah, it has spacers in here, so it can help correct. It can help correct bump steer. I'm gonna install these soon. Get these on there. So let's just get, just get started. All right, cool. So I got the car up in the air. I got one wheel off. I'm still going to take this wheel off, but I quickly am gonna explain what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna be taking this sway bar off, probably taking the mounts off, taking the rack out. So I failed to mention that the stock bushings were bad. These are like really flimsy and shitty and old. So I'm gonna replace these with Z33 poly ones. Alright, now it's time to replace these worn tie rods. I tried by first trying to take these cotter pins out. Doesn't matter if they really come out, but it'd be easy. It'd be nice if they did. Hey look, check that out. Dang it. Tool guys everywhere are cringing. Now these are the SPL gainers. These are for a Z33. It's like a 300Z or something. A lot of the parts are basically the same, or interchangeable. So there is a procedure on this. This is like a self-locking kind of nut. Then these I have to put on here, and have to lock these together. It does say not to use an impact, but I'm just going to drive it down a little bit if I can. So alright, it's a little snug. Pull out the torque wrench. And it says 75 foot-pounds, that's where I have it set at. that should be good. Now, I'm not too sure on the spacers going a certain way. They look like they're machined all exactly the same, other than the obvious. This is thinner. These two are the same, first two. And this one's a little bit taller. And it goes like that. And the inner one, the heim joint goes in there. The other thing too is just making sure I have enough threads in here. I did fail to mention about locking the steering wheel. If you don't have a special tool to hold the steering wheel, use a seat belt or something, or just you can make something. You can probably make something. Looks like it's a little towed up, but I'll fix that later with the alignment. As we were done before, put this back on here. $80 foot-pounds. Now we're good to go. Alright, so the power steering rack is in. Tie rods are installed. The only thing left is reinstall the sway bar brackets that go here, and reinstall the sway bar. As you can see, today is another day, but nevertheless, I am going to clean and polish these wheels up and hopefully be able to throw these back on the car. So let's get started. As you can see now, the wheels are clean. I just wanted to get a good idea of what the condition are. The condition is it's pretty good still. I need to replace this tire because of a blowout, and I need to flip that tire before it blows out. And these front two are fine. I did clean the insides and I did clean the barrels and the inside as well. That wasn't really necessary, but it's better to have the whole wheel clean, I guess. So let's just get this tire swapped. So a lot of things don't go as planned, especially like with these and polishing them. Yesterday I tried to polish them up with the cone and a ball that I had. Um, they were terrible. They were falling apart, and I felt like the compound wasn't doing anything. Now this is what I ended up going with. My friend told me to use this. It's Adam's Metal Polish number 1. There is another step to this as well to further polish even more. But now the next step on these is put them back on the car. As you can see, the wheels are on the car and the car is ready to go. I had to do the alignment off camera just because it took a little bit longer than I expected it to. But the tie rods, the power steering rack, the wheels, the tire in the back is on, and the flip one of the other wheels. And we flipped the other tire, and it's ready to rock. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna try to get more content like this in the future. So, give me that thumbs up or follow, subscribe, comment, like, share, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.